In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete location history on iPhone. We will walk through clearing your existing history and stopping your phone from saving new location details in the future. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You are looking for the gray gear icon on your home screen or in your app library. Once it opens, you will see your Apple ID at the top and a long list of options underneath. Next, scroll a little and tap Privacy and Security. This section controls what information your iPhone shares, including your location. When you tap it, the screen changes to show several privacy categories, such as contacts, calendars, and location services near the top. From here, tap Location Services. This is where your iPhone manages which features and apps can use your location. On this screen, you will see a main switch at the top and a list of apps below it with their current location access. Now, scroll all the way down and tap System Services. This list controls how built-in Apple features use your location, such as Find My iPhone or setting the time zone. After you tap it, the screen will change to show several switches, and you might need to scroll a bit to find the one we want. Look for Significant Locations, or it may be called Significant Locations and Routes, and tap it. The wording depends on your iOS version, but it is the same feature. On this screen, you will see a main switch at the top and underneath a history section listing cities or places your iPhone has recorded. Your iPhone now asks you to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step confirms it is really you before showing your location history. Once you pass this screen, you will return to the Significant Locations page with the History section visible. With the history visible, tap Clear History near the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, no locations disappear yet. You will first see a small confirmation message appear. This helps prevent accidentally wiping your history with a single tap. Confirm by tapping Clear History again on the small prompt. Right after you confirm, the list of recorded locations in the History section becomes empty. This removes your significant location history from all devices signed in with the same Apple account, even if they are not nearby. To stop new history from being saved, open Settings again. You can press the Settings icon on your home screen or use the back button until you return to the main settings list. Make sure you are back at the top level where Airplane Mode and Wi-Fi appear. Go to Privacy and Security, then Location Services, then System Services, following the same path you used a moment ago. Moving this way ensures you reach the same Significant Locations area again. If you see System Services at the bottom of Location Services, you are in the right place. Tap Significant Locations or Significant Locations and Routes one more time. Authenticate again if your iPhone asks. You should once again see the switch at the top and an empty or reduced history list below. Now turn Significant Locations off using the switch at the top of the screen. The switch moves to the left and turns gray, and the History section becomes inactive. This prevents your iPhone from recording new significant locations in the background while you move around. You have now deleted your past significant locations history and stopped your iPhone from saving new location history, so please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear iPhone privacy guides like this.